Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but not showing icon in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is connected but you're not seeing this type of icon here, you can say I have this icon, but if you are unable to see this icon, so let's see how can you get it back. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to open your settings app here and go to general, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. Or before that, you can also try to check your network that your internet is connected. You have to simply open your browser and randomly open any website to check if your internet is connected or not. You see that your internet is connected. If your website opens, it means your internet is connected, but you're not showing the icon, so you can get it back by updating your software sometime. It might be a software glitch, which can be easily fixed by updating your software. If you haven't any pending software update, but you're still facing this issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches of your software glitches of your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And here, once your phone has been restarted, you just have to simply unlock your phone and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so this is the only way. Just go to your settings app here, go to general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you can try to reset all of your settings here. As you can see, there's a reset all settings option. Just select that, and here just enter your iPhone passcode and just select reset all settings. So sometimes it might be that you have enabled or disabled any setting or any display option like that, so you might not get the option. So you have a simple way, you just have to reset all of your settings, so it will not delete any kind of your data, but your all system setting will set its default, and you will get that option here in the mode. So in this way, you can easily fix your Wi-Fi connected but not showing icon on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.